Manipur thokliba irang asida Kuki singbu Meitei singna orpi neibiba hatokpiba kaya tawre haina national media amadi social media singda ubadagi Kuki singi wangang luge khanna Kuki singa unanaba Manipur da lakhibani Meitei singnasu amuktangdi unaramge khanna unarubadadi irang asida Meitei sing lande haiba khangle haina Indian Democratic Republic Front IDRF Chhattisgarh State ki President KL Raymond phongdorakli ngasi nambolda bangmi singa unaba amada Raymond makhatana hai Kuki singna aranba propaganda kaya tauba maramna malemgi miyamna Meitei sing asi khutta khulai paiba nongmai paiba mi hatpa rep tauba Kuki singbu miyot minai kaya chathaba furup oina khanki maramaduna makoi gidamak voice karadi malemgi miyamda lauge adubu asengba bitna uba paudam tamge khana Manipur da lakhibani mahakna laktringai Meitei singdi mi hatpa furup oibana mahak amuk halakadra halakloidra khangdabana yamna kina lakhibani adubu mafam asi yorakpadadi ukiba amadi khalluba khudingmak onaramle mafam asidadi Meitei singdi khutlai leiramdre Kuki singna attack chathabada Meitei sing siba awaba taba aduga masana masabu kanjanaba honajaba ngakta Oiramle haiki Hauzekti Meitei singi awaba khangba kanba pukchel chauba miyok michan faba kaya asi ure khangle aduna mahakna hankraba matung Meitei singi landaba asengba shaktam asi India gi miyamna malemgi miyamna khangnaba paudam lagani haiki
and bringing the lights and I can raise my voice for cookies and that's supposed to go to all the people who don't know the realities but suddenly it happened that I turned my decision. I took my decision, a risky decision. I said that what they are saying, what world is speaking, let me challenge world. Let me experience first. Because my sixth sense is saying that Meiteis are not wrong. So the thing is happened that anyhow I came here to meet first of all Meiteis. I'm telling you very personal experience. I'm not a Northeast person. That I will support Northeast people. That is the message is also going on, right? Everyone, he is their people, so they are supporting these people. I am not your people. I am an outsider, totally different. I am a Hindi speaking person. Basically, I am a South Indian. And all this apart from that, when I visited here, whole night I was afraid with my own self. And here just when I came, so Mr. Robert is there and his family members, Dr. Kiran is here and all the friends, they all, when I saw them, the first time I'm seeing these peoples. So they took me all around the shelterless peoples, the relief camps they have taken. So when I saw that, every woman's, I was thinking that they will blast me, whether they will kill me through their weapons, the Meitei which I was hearing, but when all this happened that we supported whatever we can do and when I met those people, so they were in tears. I hidingly and personally I checked in their hands whether they are holding weapons or somewhere they are keeping inside the weapons or sticks or something like to harm ourselves. That is not, but they are having their sari and they are wiping out their tears and they are sharing their the pain which they are going through. The children's, the Meitei children's, the women's, the breastfeeding children's, their lack of the food, their lack of the nutrition foods, all this was really heartbreaking moment. The last moment up to the names I cannot say, but till yesterday, before to yesterday, and continuously around there are 10 places we could able to visit, more than 10. So all these people only one thing were sharing: we are defending ourselves. We are not attacking any other group of people. Friends, what I conclude that Meitei group people, which I personally experience with my tears, I can experience that these group of people are very lovable people and they hugged me, they loved me a lot, their hospitalities, and still they were saying that after this media and that you have to take the breakfast. I am very much safe and I am so blessed that God sent me to meet personally Meitei group of people. And really it is a heart-touching moment and breaking moment. Definitely when I'm going to return back my hometown and I will raise my voice for Meiteis, because whole world is getting different message, but world is waiting my message, where without any partiality I used to speak the truth. Whether I will die, whether someone kill, I don't bother about that, but I will stand for the truth. And truth is that Meiteis are lovable people and they never do any harm. They are suffering lot, and our prayers, our well wishes, our support still and next also for Meiteis group of people. Thank you.